Hello, this is Stefana Muller from Upsani, and today I'm going to show you how to discover your application architecture in just a few steps. App architecture shouldn't be something written on a whiteboard or PowerPoint and forgotten about afterward. It's a living, breathing thing. With containers, microservices, and continuous delivery, an application architecture can change in seconds, and no one will know until something breaks. Docker containers make this a bit easier, but the simple commands to discover what you have running don't produce easy-to-consume results. For example, a Docker PS will produce a list of my running containers. The challenge is I don't know how those containers relate to one another, so that doesn't give me a true architecture. To solve this problem, we built a tool. Introducing Skopos Surveyor, a free tool for Docker users that scans, discovers, and displays all your applications and their architecture. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and discover your running applications, producing a nice picture that you can share with the rest of your team. Let's get started. Your first step is to go to upsani.com/surveyor. Scroll down to the registration screen. This is an optional registration. You can skip that over if you'd like, and just grab this command here. This is the command that you want to run where you run Docker today. It's also where you probably run your applications. Once you run that command, open up your browser to your host name and port 8100. This will produce the Skopos screen. And the next step is very simple. You're just going to click Discover Existing Applications. Now just give you one quick warning here. If you want to discover the connections between your applications, say for instance you have multiple services and those services connect to one another, you're going to want to exercise that app. This way we can see those connections actually occurring and discover them as we hit this Discover button. So as I hit the Discover button here, I'm going to exercise my cats and dogs voting app. This way I can detect those connections between the vote and the result. As you can see here, Skopos discovered two items. The first is everything. Discover All shows me all my applications in one single view. The second is my single app, Demo App 1. I'm going to go into that so you can see more information. Now here's the nice visual of Demo App 1. It shows me that I have a front end with a vote app, another front end with a result app, a worker that works in the middle, database backend, and a Redis backend as well. The interesting thing is I wouldn't know about all these components if I were just a regular user of this application. And many times you don't know if you have two workers running or maybe three. Did someone take them down? Well, Skopos was able to discover that there were two workers running, 3 votes, and a single result app. In addition to that, I can take a nice picture of this screen right here with a screenshot and share it with my team or check it into my code base. I also have a YAML file that I can export that produces this result again. If you click this model descriptor here, you can see the YAML file that shows you the descriptor. It gives you a little bit more information about the ports used as well. Well, that's it. In just a few minutes, I was able to show you how you can discover your existing applications running on Docker with Skopos Surveyor. I hope Surveyor helps you discover your apps quickly so you can get back to developing new features and not writing in PowerPoint. Let us know what you think about Skopos Surveyor by commenting or sending feedback below. Thanks and have a great day.